Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's not a faux pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede part 2. Yes, I have a lot more to show you. This week, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. You've seen a lot of faux leather bottoms, but today I decided to put on a faux leather top. So give me a minute while I put on my shoes and stand up so you can see the full outfit. Okay, so today I'm wearing a faux leather top that is like a half sleeve. It comes to my elbow, and it is coated. So it's, again, not faux leather because it's not given that category, but it's a coated top with the puff sleeves, buttons down the front, kind of like there's no collar to it, but it has that like V-neck or split neck style. I have on my Kendra Scott necklace here. I think it's called the clove necklace. It's very delicate and dainty. I think I got it through a trunk club. And I have it paired with my Days denim, which I either got through a trunk or I ordered on myself from Nordstrom, or maybe even a JB Style. I can't really recall. So these are my dad jeans from Days denim. I really like them. They're a looser silhouette, as you can see. They're what I called, when I was referring to as stovepipes. So they're not straight leg, and because they're too wide for straight leg, and they're looser fit all around, versus straight leg kind of tapers the thigh more. These are just a looser, baggier fit. I love these jeans. I do have to wear them with heels, which I don't mind. I'm wearing my Vince Camuto booties, except when I'm at home, and that's why I had to change my shoes because I was wearing my slippers. All right, let me pan down so you can see the shoes closer. I think you've seen these before. They're just a pair of Vince Camuto slip-on booties. They're very comfortable, and they do have a heel, okay? And that is my outfit for today. It's not a faux pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. Stay tuned for tomorrow for the next outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's not a faux pas, it's faux leather and faux suede. So I'm really enjoying doing this series because I'm pulling things out of my closet I haven't pulled out in a while, and I am doing new combinations that I haven't done before. And plus, today I'm wearing something new I haven't worn yet that I just recently got. So I'm really excited to do this, and even though I'm not a fond of wearing skirts when I'm sitting at home all day, I'm glad I'm putting some of these clothes to use. So let me stand up so I can show you my outfit, okay? So today I'm wearing a skirt that is faux suede from INC. I bought this skirt, gosh, right probably as soon as I lost the weight, so probably about 2018. And again, it's from Macy's. It has the pork chop pockets here on the front, and it's a pull-on style with two little snaps here on the waist to just keep it closed. And with it, I'm wearing my MIA detailed back sweater that I got recently from my Stitch Fix. I think it's a really cute sweater, the detail in the back, see it all. And I was excited to wear this sweater. So this is my outfit for today. With it, I've had my paired with my ivory booties, which I will promptly take off and put on my slippers. Thank you very much. Tomorrow you'll see another outfit, which I'm also excited to wear. Hello, thank you for tuning in for another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's not a faux pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. So I'm super excited about this outfit today because I was looking through my Facebook feed and I saw this outfit at White House Black Market, and this was my inspiration. I said, I can recreate that outfit. So I was so excited I actually had the items to recreate the outfit. I have to say, when I first started watching YouTube videos, I used to watch Linda over at Mature Sass, and she has such an impressive wardrobe. She can do any Pinterest look and just recreate it. And I was so jealous. I'm like, I need that, I need that, I need this, you know? I'm at the point now where I can do the same. My closet is large enough where I can recreate almost any look that interests me now. So I do believe my wardrobe is complete after all these years, and one of the reasons why I'm doing a no-buy at least for 2 months. All right, let me stand up so you can see the outfit. So today I am wearing a blank NYC, sorry, take that back. This is not blank NYC. This is INC from Macy's, International Concepts from Macy's, a faux leather jacket. You know, it has the puff sleeves, and I really like it. It's a really cute blazer, all right? With it, I have an express button down. I believe this is called their Portofino top, if I'm not mistaken. It's years old. I think it's really pretty with the covered buttons, the loops, and it was very affordable. It also has like ruffles. Here, let me show you this way. Little like button here on the sleeves and little ruffle around here, I think, on the neckline. All right, it's a really cute top, and it's just in ivory. And with it, I have paired these brown pants from my Stitch Fix, my latest Stitch Fix, as well, and I'll stand back, as my heels from Stitch Fix. And this outfit was the inspiration from White House Black Market. So I said I have that, and I put it together. All right, take care, and see you tomorrow for another It's Not a Faux Pas. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. And it's not a faux pas, but it's faux leather and faux suede. So today my faux suede outfit, or my faux pas, which is faux suede outfit, is a jacket that you actually seen before. I'll stand up so you can see the full outfit. You might have seen this in one of my styling videos where I allowed my friend to style me. I'll link my video up above so you can click and see that one. But this is a blank NYC faux moto jacket. Now my friend had originally paired it with a patterned blouse and black pants, but I decided to pair this based on a Pinterest look. I saw a blue jacket with a beige sweater, white jeans, and beige booties. So I decided to clone this outfit. I wasn't so sure I like it or not, but I figured, let's give it a shot. Again, I don't go anywhere. So here I am at home. I got my white Vince Camuto jeans that are years old, my Soul Society booties, which are like a taupey color, this beige taupey sweater, and this blank NYC jacket, which I would consider sea glass. And that is my outfit for today. Okay. All right, well, stay tuned for tomorrow's next outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and it's not a faux pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. So I'm going to wrap up this week's episode. It is a shorter week. I know I don't have a full 7 days in here, but I'm going to start again on Sunday and for my what I believe is my final week, okay? So let me show you my outfit for today, and all of you can be like, oh my God, Carolyn, that is such a fashion faux pas, but I do not care. Like I said, I didn't leave the house. I am wearing faux leather leggings, which I did a front tuck. I know, horrors, front tuck into leggings. I'm not covering this part, but I feel that they're loose enough that I think I can get away with it. Let me come closer so you can see. These are by Liverpool. I got these in a mix and match box. I don't know if you can see them, but they're lizard embossed. So they kind of have like a lizard, and then they have like the seaming down the front, okay? So I paired it with this Calvin Klein blouse that I got like when Lord & Taylor was going out of business, like 2 years ago, 2 winters ago. Maybe it was last winter. It is a size small, so it's a little big, and especially in the arms, but I don't think it's ridiculously big. I just think it's so pretty. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see the delicate details of the flowers. All right. So I do have a lot of floral tops, but this one I just thought was so pretty. All right. So this is my outfit for today, and I just have it paired with a pair of black Vince Camuto basic booties. It is cold outside, and we have snow on the ground. All right, well, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe, click the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and take care, and until next time.